So grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's go tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Nadula here, and we are going to see what we're working with. I'm pretty sure it's summer, so it's going to be a curly wig. Yes, but let's see if it's a closure or a frontal this time. So definitely you guys already know we have goodies with the wig cap, edge brush, edge band, a bag to always secure your wig, and of course the beautiful wig. So let's go inside and see. Let's read the details first. This is a pre-everything, a 13x4 pre-everything lace, and it is in 24 inches. I'm pretty sure it's water wave. I told you, okay? It's a water wave wig. So we're gonna go in. I'm pretty sure we don't have to prep the wig or anything, so we're gonna see what we're working with. I'm super excited to see if we can create more than one style with this. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Look at that lace, how refined it is, how beautiful it sits right there. Yes, this is how the lace is looking right from the package, and this is how the curl is from the package. Like I said, it is water wave, so it's real wavy. It's wavy, wavy, wavy. Okay, so because it's a pre-everything wig, of course they're gonna have the tabs on it. Oh my god, I wore a wig like this before. Let me tell you, I don't need a cap. In my case, I do. Technically, you don't need a cap, but in my case, I do because I don't have braids. Okay, but let me show you how they install the cap in the wig. Oh, spectacular is that. Now you don't have to worry about adding a cap to your wig. Now I see why the lace was looking like that, because this is giving real everything. Okay, they already added the caps to it, so it's real, the real. Okay, so the cap is in it. 13x4. We do have an adjustable band. Always love that, and I always love that we have a comb in the back of the wigs. And let me tell you something about these drawstring wigs. Of course, this one has a drawstring. Look at that. So you can definitely put your wig as tight as you want. If you have a big, small, medium, this will work, okay? And you pull it down, and then to release it, once you're taking out the wig or take it off the wig, you're just gonna pull the string upwards and it is released, okay? So 21, 22, 23, 24 head size, perfect wig, blue. And there we go. So that's an upgrade. Drawstring plus a cap. Now, when you saw a pre-everything wig, you get it pre-bleach. The lace is pre-cut. The wig is pre-plucked. Now, we don't need a cap. And we have a drawstring. We don't even need the band, okay? We have double tightness, double fitted wig, because the drawstring that is added and plus the strap. Girl, this is my favorite because I like to slip that under it. Our wig safe. So now let's prep everything. Me personally, I'm not going to work with the tabs, so we're going to take these off. I feel like it's good for someone who is super beginner friendly, not for me, okay? And it's just my opinion. Now, it would also work if you put the wig on and you slide the wig on your head and it fits perfect. Then these tabs will work for you because the wig is already fitted. The tabs is going to keep the wig down and it's not going to move. All right, now I'm so excited. I don't even think I want to do nothing to this because the plucking on this is spectacular. Okay, Miss Nadula, y'all did your thing. Anyway, let me prep my hair. I will be back. First of all, if you guys don't like the video right now, I'm asking you, please like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what type of wigs you're wearing this summer, okay? Alright, so I wanted to tell you guys about the key feature of this wig that we're going to install right now. The key selling points, the key thing about the wig is that with this new wig, right, the HP Water Wave, the lace wig It's HD lace. The technology is like no other, okay? Unlike regular lace, it stands out. Advantage is that no wig cap is needed to achieve a realistic scalp effect, okay? The 13 by 4 large lace area, it's a 3-part wig, so you can do a center, a middle, or you can just let it freestanding right. It's a 13 by 4, so you can do however you want, okay? It's gonna be perfect. And the wig is very flexible, so I'll definitely show you the flexibility of the wig as well. But let's add a wig cap because I have to. If I had braids, I love the no cap needed method that they're using, which is super easy for other persons because sometimes we just can't find a wig cap, okay? So for them to ensure that the wig is built in with a cap, spectacular. You can't ask it no more. All you gotta do is order this wig, all right? And remember, I always have a code in the description, so make sure you check it after watching the video if you're interested. Now, love that the cap fits. I don't know what's going on the other day, but I'll be finding, I know my head did not grow. The caps were feeling super small. We need space. Like I said, I'm wearing a cap for this particular video just because my hair is not braided. I don't want to braid it. Yeah, and it is super flat. For me personally, we don't need anything because the cap is on, so you will not know that I have a cap on. Okay, let's try and see how it's gonna look. All right, now this is what I'm talking about with a 13 by 4 as a full lace wig. When you slide that wig on your head, if it's fitted, girl, look at that. This is a perfect fit. It's like I said, Nadula. This is my head size. You already know it. I just need a 13 by 4 to fit my head. And they delivered. But that's not the case. It just perfectly fit my head, which means we haven't used the drawstring or anything as yet. And yeah, this is right from the package. The built-in technology. I think I'm going to freelance this wig. Yeah, we're going to do a little freelance. Yes! And then I'm going to show you how let's install the wig. I'll be back. Okay?
Yeah, love is my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you.
Alright guys, so we're doing something new, of course, with adding baby hair. Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm going to wet down the wig now because it was like a free part for me. So we're gonna style it right now. I could do like this, I could pin it up, and then we're gonna create a hairstyle without adding any product to the hair. I absolutely love it already. This is how I normally do. I'll add mousse. So we're gonna do it like in 2 sections, and then I have a spray bottle where we're gonna add water. So yeah, just add whatever mousse you want to add to the wig, and I mostly like to add it to the ends. Reason for that is because the wig came in a package, especially when you have a longer wig, more than 20 inches. The ends for curly wig needs to be more defined. So I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna style it, and I will be back. You don't have to add product. You can just use water, and that's all. But I like to add products because I like to create my own little flair to it. So you guys can keep on watching while I do this. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look how stunning these curls are. Yes, guess what? Nadula did that. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes when I wet down a waterway wig, it's a bit shabby. This one, I love how fluffy it is. Look at those curls at the ends. Yes, absolutely love it, and I love your side part. I love this, but that's not the case because this wig is versatile. So we're going to show the versatility. Anyway. Let's take a moment to appreciate the lace because it's HD lace, yes, and they did send me over the difference with the HD lace and the transparent lace for persons who don't understand. Okay, you guys will get it. HD is more refined. It is like scalp. Okay, transparent, it's a bit thicker. So we have the two lace right here in a bag, and this is the transparent lace. Seeing it, let me put it on my skin. This is the transparent lace. Hopefully you are seeing it. This is how it looks. And we have the HD lace. You guys saw that? Like, you not even see the lace on my skin. Okay, so that's the HD. This is the transparent. They're kind of similar, but the transparent is a bit more thicker and it feels a little bit more coarse. Now, I really don't want to create another style because I love this, but I have to show you guys how versatile this wig is. So we're gonna go in and style it another way, but let's take a moment to appreciate.
I just know that you are. You're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter.
A curly wig is the simplest hair to style, beginner friendly. Okay, this was nothing extra, and if you know me, I am going to do a ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna do a ponytail. So I always like to leave out my sides because it's just cute, in my opinion. Yes, I always like to leave the front out as well. It's giving that just classy vibe. And as simple as it may sound, or as simple as you guys are looking at it, it's so easy to put your hair in a bun. All you gotta do is get a hair tie, put your hair in a bun, okay? If you need a support from a grab clip, then use it. But I also want to show you guys the back of the wig where we have the drawstring. I didn't show you guys, I left that specifically for last because I know I wanted to do an out the hairstyle. So we're gonna go around the back and show you guys the drawstring, how this wig is gonna be snug, okay? Let's do it. Now, this is the drawstring. The wig is snapped on my head, but we're gonna operate the drawstring right now, and all you gotta do is pull the wig. Pull the wig. There's another extra piece that you need to pull. This extra piece, all you gotta do is tuck it underneath. Now the wig is secure. really secure. I am going to take my time and pull down some of the hair. Just barely pull down the wig so it have the illusion. You guys get it? Or you see it? Oh, girl. Yes. That's all. I'm always going to show you guys a curly wig without do. I'm always going to do that because it is the simplest thing you could do. It's a freelance wig where you could part the wig. You don't have to part the wig. I did not do that. So if you are not into that type of stuff, it already comes with a middle part, so you don't have to worry. Okay, if you also want to do a bun, it is so easy to put the hair in the bun. Let's do that because I just want to showcase all the versatility of this wig. I like it flat. Make it super flat. Okay. Fix this part. I didn't add anything to it. So when you make your bun, you could put something around it. It still have that sideburn look. And we have the sideburn right here. It's still giving scalp because the lace is HD. Now, if you want to do a bun, this is how it would look. Absolutely stunning as well. If you don't want too much extra, say you're going to church or you're going to work, you could do this, okay? And then right after work, you want to go have a drink. You want to go and have a drink with the girls, or you have a date. Yeah, Freaky Friday. Here we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Nadula for sponsoring this video. The coupon code will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoy watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this week. So I know some of y'all still have vacation coming up. Perfect week, okay? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Wanna take time to just stay fine. Been a long while since I've been back to the place that raised me. And if it's okay, I'll just say that I was struggling. All the memories, they took me back.